Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, snipping tool won't close after screenshot easy Windows 11 fix. First method is use print screen key to open screen capture. Second method is force close Snipping tool app. Third method is reset and repair Snipping tool app. Fourth method is uninstall and reinstall Snipping tool app. Fifth method is delete startup apps. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.